For all you bad bitches think Martha ain't hard, she got a rap. She a bad marketing bitch, know how to trap. Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt.
Razzle Dazzle, I am ready to unbox the boots that I actually designed with back at the ranch in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I'm so excited. I haven't seen these since a couple months now, or maybe a little less. I designed them myself and they are made of python. Are you ready? Okay, so I made them purple because RazzleCon's favorite color is obviously purple. And this detail here, this is actually python. It's hand dyed. This is a one-of-a-kind strip of python material that I actually picked out myself, and I designed where it was going to go on the shoe. So we have bronze leather stitching, and here it's dyed bronze, and you have that lining on here as well. I actually debated making the boot this bronze color, the entire boot, instead of purple, but for once I decided to be a little more subtle and subdued, but maybe in the future I'll design another pair that's sort of like a bronze or gold color. I think this was actually called pewter, was the exact color that we picked out from the swatches. And in the back of the boot you also have the same pattern, and on the edges where it fanned out of the same strip of python, you have that darker purple python. And what I also love about these boots are the zipper, because I hate pulling on boots over my feet. So there's a little matching zipper, kind of that bronze gold color, just tucked away right inside here with a little strap. It's the same pewter goldish bronze color. And they just unzip nicely. Here, we'll take out that stuffing. I always actually hate pulling the stuffing out of the boots, but it's important to have it to keep the shape. I'm gonna put something, oh my god, there's a lot of stuffing in here. I'm excited to try these on. Wow. They're really stuffed. There's more. Oh. I feel like I'm pulling out a used tampon. Wow. Okay. Really inside here, good. Okay, 1 second. I think I might, yep, okay. It's empty now. And we just have to do the same thing with the other boot. So we'll just rip that boot on out of here. And it's a really nice leather. I just love python. I also love alligator and crocodile, but I thought there was something special and delicate with this python. I just also love the color scheme of the orange and the purple. Kind of loud, but it's me, Razzle Dazzle. Rip it out.
Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke.
Okay, are we ready to put them on? Let's see these babies in action. Are you ready? Okay, we are about ready to try on these boots. Let's do it.
For all you bad bitches think Martha ain't hard, she got a rap. She a bad marketing bitch, know how to trap. Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt.
Thanks for watching this video of the unboxing of the boots that I designed, and thank you down at the ranch in Santa Fe, New Mexico for your help making these awesome boots a reality. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to watch more dope videos of me unboxing crazy things I design or buy online, and things like berazzling this dope fanny pack, and a bunch of other items, as well as life hacks, productivity tips, and stories from all around the world, from the many places I have traveled and haggled for things. Don't forget to razzle dazzle.